Hello, Jason Perez here. I'm here to talk about maybe some glitches or some sound errors that might occur because sometimes our secure books they can be quirky, I like to call them, but there's little things that kind of can help you keep your sanity, to put it bluntly. But for example, if you come in and you want to open up a file, you click and just simply double click or single click on it, it will open up Video Application Player. Now there has been times with our video app that's preloaded on the secure book is that there's no sound that comes out. Video's playing, but there's no sound. But please remember, there's no external speaker for these secure books. So you need sound turned up and headphones. So no sound coming out of the headphones, all you see is the video. What you want to do is go ahead and X out of that video, go back to your file, right click on that file, and open with other application. We just found out that the video app is not giving us sound, so we're going to open up with Chromium, and if Chromium is not here, you really want to go view all applications and go ahead and identify Chromium off the list. Chromium's right up top, we select, and now it opens and it will give us sound. So this is one example of little quirkiness that can happen within secure books. So to recap, sound's not playing, be sure sound settings are put up, you have headphones plugged in, but if that doesn't work out, right click, open with other applications, and select Chromium to view videos. Thank you.